Hey everyone, welcome back to Fix Your Apps. In today's video, we're going to show you how to fix the PUBG Mobile no sound problem on the iPhone. If you're playing and can't hear anything, don't worry. These easy steps will help you get your audio working again in no time. First, open PUBG Mobile and tap the upward arrow icon in the bottom right corner of the screen. This brings up more options you can access during gameplay. Next, tap on Settings, then choose Graphics and Audio from the menu on the right side. This is where all your in-game visuals and sound settings live. At the top, tap on the Audio tab. This section controls every sound setting for the game, including music, effects, and voice. Now make sure all the volume sliders are turned up, especially the master volume and voice chat. If these are down or off, you won't hear anything while playing. Once all sliders are turned up, exit the settings and check if your sound is now working correctly in the game. If it's still not working, let's check your iPhone's sound settings. Go to your home screen and open the Settings app. Scroll down and tap on Sounds and Haptics. Then turn the ringtone and alert slider all the way up. This controls your overall alert and system sound levels. Now go back to the main settings menu, scroll up and tap on Accessibility. From there, scroll down again and tap on Audio and Visual. At the bottom of this section, you'll see the balance slider. Make sure it's set to the center. That's 0.0 to ensure sound comes through both speakers properly. Still no sound? No problem. Use the volume up button on the side of your iPhone to increase your device volume while in-game. Also, make sure your iPhone isn't in silent mode. Just flip the small switch on the left side of your phone upward so it's not showing orange. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to Fix Your Apps for more helpful iPhone and app fixes.